Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Helen Okoro. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make autogele fan. I've already made the base, I'm just fixing the velcro. Please, if today is your first time watching my video, please like, comment and share. Comment according to the video. Please stay tuned to the end so you see how beautiful and how it is. You understand more better. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so anytime I upload video you will be notified. This is the first line I'm going to be making on top, so I didn't put the rope straight. I bend it one side, so to make it curve I did not put it straight, so I used my machine to sew the first one. So I'll be using glue gun to do the rest on top. Just watch and see. This is the one I will use to tie the hand at the back, 15 inches for the both sides. This is the one I will use to make the pleat on top of the gele, 45 inches length. Autogele I'm using is the one that comes with 4 pieces. After I remove the base 22 inches into 4 to make the base, and I remove 15 inches for the both sides at the back. Then the one I'm going to use on top of the gele to make the fan, that's for the pleating, is 45 inches length. So the remaining autogele I fold into 2 and cut it down and use my machine to fold it and make it rope, as you can see here. So before I make the plate on top, I will first of all tie the hand. I want the plate to be on top of the hand at the back, so the plate, the fan will go round well. Keep watching. At this point, as I'm making the fan on top, I'm using glue gun. But if it is your first time of using glue gun, I advise you use needle and thread to attach it on top in case the autogele did go well, so you can be able to lose it and refix it back. But when using glue gun, you just have to be careful for your work not to be rough. Please, if there is any question or contribution, please don't fail to drop it at the comment section. Keep watching. So we have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching to this extent. Like, comment and share. See you on my next video. Bye bye.